And welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to be riding the Lyric Graffiti X this time around. You see it right there. And let's talk about speed, and more specifically about speeding tickets on an e-bike. Now this bike here, if you're new to the channel and haven't seen videos before, this is my favorite e-bike. And I do not pedal this one. I throttle this one. I have other bikes that I like to pedal. This is my throttle bike. And so let's talk about it a little bit here. So it has at least I've had it once to the top speed of 50 miles per hour, 49 point something, 79 kilometers. So it's capable of speeds for sure of 45, but occasionally it can probably get up to 50. I've not tried it any more top speed than that one time, but no, I have not gotten a speeding ticket on the bike because I pretty much ride conservatively for the most part. But I want to talk about speeding tickets. Now, if you've had a speeding ticket on your electric bike, let us know in the comments, because I am curious about this as to what happens. So we have restrictions on e-bikes here in the US. They are class levels. And if you're not familiar, so you got class 1 is 20 miles per hour maximum speed, and there's no throttle on a class 1 e-bike. And then you got your class 2, which is the same thing, 20 miles per hour as the class 1. The only difference is class 2 has a throttle on the bike, so you don't just have to pedal, you can also throttle it to 20 miles per hour. And then you get class 3 that some states have, including here in Oregon, where you can ride up to 28 miles per hour, but it's kind of a like this kind of law where they say you can go 28 miles per hour, but you cannot have a throttle taking you up to 28. It can only go to 20, and then you have to pedal to 28, which, if you've seen my channel before and you're not new to it, you know what my feelings are on that, and I'll let you know in case you are new to the channel and didn't know. But I really do not get this that you can do one thing to 28 but not the other. The bike is still going 28, so I don't see the difference personally, whether you're pedaling it to 28 or throttling it. The bike is still going 28 miles per hour. That one gets me every time. I do not understand it. If it's 20 miles per hour maximum speed, make it 20 miles per hour. If it's 28, make it 28, regardless, in my opinion. I actually think it's safer to throttle to 28 than be pedaling. But anyway, so what happens if you get pulled over? Okay, so let's give a scenario here. Okay, if I'm riding in a 25 mile per hour zone like this one is right here, and I'm going, which I'm not right now, but let's say I'm going 30 miles an hour. You'll see the sign up here, it says 25. But let's say I'm riding 30 miles an hour. I'm going 5 over the speed limit and 2 over at least the pedal assist limit. So am I getting the ticket for going faster than the bike is supposed to go, or am I getting a ticket for going faster than the speed limit is? Or am I getting 2 tickets, 1 for each? So let's go with another scenario where, again, say we're on a 30 mile per hour road again, and let's say No, let's say it's a 40 mile, this one, 35 miles per hour. Okay, let's go with that. And let's say I'm riding 32 miles an hour on my electric bike. Again, are they getting me for speeding because the bike is going faster than the bike is supposed to? Because I'm not speeding as far as the speed limit of the road. Or let's give another scenario, if there's no bike lane there and I have to ride on the shoulder or in with the cars. Let's say I am going 35, the same as the speed limit. Are they going to give me a ticket? I assume they are. So obviously they're giving you the ticket, if they do, for going faster than the bike is supposed to go, because the speed limit, if it's 35, you're not going faster than the speed limit, you're going right at the speed limit. So it's kind of funny, this situation about the bike lane and roads that have no bike lane. So they think it's, I don't know what they think actually, but what do you think on this? Do you think it's safer to ride on the shoulder of the road and let cars go around you? Or is it safer just to ride right in with the cars if it's 30 and your bike is fully capable of going 30? I think, well, I think the laws are should be changed a little bit. On roads that don't have bike lanes, I think as long as it's not an excessive speed like a highway 55, well, I can understand that. But a road that's 30 or 35, like this one's 35, honestly, I don't think, if you have a bike that's capable of doing that, I don't think it's all that bad to go 35. I think it's actually safer to go 35 with traffic, presuming the bike is capable of doing it, than riding 20 miles an hour and having cars behind you trying to get around you. Now, some are going to say, well, don't ride on that road at all. But why should we be limited on that road, not being able to ride on that road? Maybe that's the only road that connects us where we're going and we have no other option. And here's the other one about speed limits. Who defines, like, how much is the fine? I don't even know. I've not seen numbers before that say, okay, if you're speeding on an electric bike, here's what your fine will be. Does anybody know how much the fine is for right? Because it's got to be different than a car, because the electric bike is limited into the speed. Even if you're going below the maximum speed of the road, you're still going to get a ticket if you're going, like I said, on a 35. If you're doing 30, they're going to say you're speeding if you're throttling only, especially because you're going beyond the 20 miles an hour. And how much is the fine? I've never heard. Or do they confiscate the bike, or do they just give you a warning? If anybody knows that answer, go ahead and let us know in the comments below. If you're riding on a road that has no bike lane and you're in the shoulder, you know, as close to the edge as you can get, then I think it's actually worse having cars following behind you and getting a chain of cars going there, or a train of cars, and trying to go around you. That's more dangerous than just you being right in there. Now, assuming you are comfortable riding with traffic and your bike is capable of keeping up. Anyway, I wanted to ask this question because I've not heard, or I can't find it anywhere, how much the actual fine is. If it's illegal to do it, then what is the cost if you do get caught doing it? Because I don't know anybody that's actually said, well, okay, I was pulled over and I had to pay $300, a $300 fine or whatever. Let us know in the comments your situation if you've had that happen. Or if you know somebody that has, let us know what was said and what happened exactly as far as how much was the fine, etc. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to comment on this video or any others that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe, everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.